day, this is the Professor, CVMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, June 13th, 2023. It is 4:46 and 52 seconds, AM Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, Taurine. So let's come to it here, as Taurine may be a key to longer and healthier life. Date June 8th, 2023. Source, Columbia University. A study finds that deficiency of taurine, a molecule produced in our bodies, drives aging, and taurine supplements can improve health and increase lifespan in animals. The same study also found that taurine supplements can slow down the aging process in worms, mice, and monkeys, and can even extend the healthy lifespans of middle-aged mice up to 12%. And for the last 25 years, scientists have been trying to find factors that not only let us live longer, but also increase health span, the time we remain healthy in our old age. Over the past 2 decades, efforts to identify interventions that improve health and old age have intensified as people are living longer, and scientists have learned that the aging process can be manipulated. Many studies have found that various molecules carried through the bloodstream are associated with aging. Less certain is whether these molecules actively direct the aging process or are just passengers going along for the ride. If a molecule is a driver of aging, then restoring its youthful levels would delay aging and increase health span, the years we spend in good health. As taurine first came into view during the previous research into osteoporosis that uncovered taurine's role in building bone, around the same time, other researchers were finding that taurine levels correlated with immune functions, obesity, and nervous system functions. They realized that if taurine is regulating all these processes that decline with age, maybe taurine levels in the bloodstream affect overall health and lifespan. The team looked at levels of taurine in the bloodstream of mice, monkeys, and people, and found that the taurine abundance decreases substantially with age. In people, taurine levels in 60-year-old individuals were only about 1/3 of those found in 5-year-olds. That is when they started to ask if taurine deficiency is a driver of the aging process, and they set up a large experiment with mice. The researchers started with close to 250 14-month-old female and male mice, about 45 years old in people terms. Every day, the researchers fed half of them a bolus of taurine or a control solution. At the end of the experiment, the research team found that taurine increased average lifespan by 12% in female mice and 10% in males. For the mice, that meant 3 to 4 extra months, equivalent to about 7 or 8 human years. As these experts measured various health parameters in mice and found that, at age 2, 60 in human years, animals supplemented with taurine for 1 year were healthier in almost every way than their untreated counterparts. The researchers found that taurine suppressed age-associated weight gain in female mice, even in menopausal mice, increased energy expenditure, increased bone mass, improved muscle endurance and strength, reduced depression and anxious behaviors, reduced insulin resistance, and promoted a younger-looking immune system, among other benefits. At the cellular level, taurine improved many functions that usually decline with age. The supplement decreased the number of zombie cells, old cells, that should die but instead linger and release harmful substances, increase survival, haptotelomerase deficiency, increase the number of stem cells present in some tissues, which can help tissue heal after injury, improve the performance of mitochondria, reduce DNA damage, and improve the cell's ability to sense nutrients. As similar health effects of taurine supplements were seen in middle-aged rhesus monkeys, which were given daily taurine supplements for 6 months. As taurine prevented weight gain, reduced fasting blood glucose, and markers of liver damage, increased bone density in the spine and legs, and improved the health of their immune systems. The researchers do not know yet if taurine supplements will improve health or increase longevity in humans, but 2 experiments they conducted suggest taurine has potential The research team looked at the relationship between taurine levels and approximately 50 health parameters in 12,000 European adults aged 60 and over. Overall, people with higher taurine levels were healthier, with fewer cases of type 2 diabetes, lower obesity levels, reduced hypertension, and lower levels of inflammation. As these are associations which do not establish causation, but the results are consistent with the possibility that taurine deficiency contributes to human aging. The scientific investigators performed a second study, tested if taurine levels would respond to an intervention known to improve health. The researchers measured taurine levels before and after a variety of male athletes and sedentary individuals finished a strenuous cycling workout and found a significant increase in taurine among all groups of athletes, sprinters, endurance runners, and natural bodybuilders and sedentary individuals. No matter the individual, all had increased taurine levels after exercise, which suggests that some of the health benefits of exercise may come from an increase in taurine. Only a randomized clinical trial and people will determine if taurine truly has health benefits. Taurine trials are currently underway for obesity, but none are designed to measure a wide range of health parameters. The scientific researchers say other potential anti-aging drugs, including metformin, rapamycin, NAD analogs, are being considered for testing in clinical trials. Researchers think taurine should also be considered, and it has some advantages. Taurine is naturally produced in our bodies. It can be obtained naturally in the diet. It has no known toxic effects, although it is rarely used in concentrations used, and it can be boosted by exercise. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.